All right, so our critical thinking questions for Unit 7. Remember to get full credit on these. Just answer honestly. I want to know what you think, not what Google thinks, and answer in complete sentences. Purpose of critical thinking is to make you think beyond the surface. So to think a little bit harder, and let's actually use our brains to answer these questions. So number 1, think about preserved foods you've eaten. What methods of preservation do the best job of preserving the food's taste and texture? So, of like frozen food, canned food, um, freeze dried, jerky. What do you think? What tastes better? Are there specific types of preserved products you don't like? So, like you cannot stand dried fruit, or you don't like frozen meat. So, answer that honestly. That's whatever you prefer. Number 2, what foods do you typically eat in minimally processed form or fresh from the plant? Why do you select these items? So these are probably going to be like vegetables, like tomatoes. I like a fresh tomato in the summer, especially for my garden. All I do is just wash that off from the garden. So that's minimally processed. Maybe bananas. There's not much processing that goes on with a banana or orange, a lot of your fruits and vegetables. I like those better than, the frozen or cut up bananas. I like a fresh one. 3, cooking involves minimally processed food through cutting, heating, and other actions like canning. What in what ways do you process or alter food when you cook at home? Or if you don't cook, maybe your parents or guardian. Um, you know, cutting, trimming food. Whenever I get by like chicken breast, I like to trim it because I don't like how they do it in the store. I like to trim all the fat off. Um, what do you do? Number 4, the passage discusses the controversy surrounding GMOs. Do you have an opinion on GMO labeling? Do you think that they should label GMOs or not? If not, what information would you need to make up your mind? What are the benefits and drawbacks of transporting food to far from where it was grown? It risks spoiling faster. You're going to have to do more preservation techniques to make it last to where it's going, are some reasons. So answer those fully, in depth, complete sentences, and you will get a 100.